2016 Toyota Prius, the driver's side power door lock stopped working. So whether you use the button, you know, the lock unlock here, or on the fob, it would not lock or unlock. You had to use, you know, your little, I don't even know how the key comes out of this one. It's not my car. However the key comes out, you had to use the key. I'm using it one-handed. I think it's that, and then it slides out. Yeah, right there. So you'd have to use the key to lock or unlock it. So here's what I found. First of all, I'll give you a quick overview on the door panel, but I'll also put a link in the description with I actually used a video. I've never had the door panel off this thing, but basically, you know, you use a pry tool and a Phillips screwdriver will get you through this. But you use a pry tool and you pop the armrest cover off, and behind the armrest cover you have a screw. Then you gently pry this out, and behind this you've got another screw, again Phillips. And then on the right here, there's a little panel, little trim panel that goes in there. It's in the door panel. Pry that out, and there's a screw there. Again, all Phillips. And then just go around the perimeter with your pry tool, just gently prying these, where these little clips are, around the whole thing, and then just pull the panel off. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description to that video that I used. But on this one, when I got the door panel off, you know, I was going to get to the actuator, which if you need to replace the actuator, it's behind this panel, which you've got these little clips here, and then these here just turn and pull out. But this plug right here was unplugged, and this is the plug for the actuator. So all I did is just plug it back in, and now it works. So I guess what happened, you know, this thing clips in. It's got a little clip that holds it, but over time, you know, slamming this door, this thing popped out. So what I did, of course, I plugged it back in. And I just I had some, this is just Right stuff, but pretty much anything would work. I just smeared some silicone right over that plug, or right over it, to kind of help. You know, there's some down in there in the clip part of it, and you could just use a pick and pick this stuff out if you need to actually replace the actuator later on. But that will help keep, that thing should not come unplugged now, basically. And it's not overly too much. It's just enough that should keep that plug plugged in and not work its way out. And it is secure. When I pushed it in, it's secure. The little clip holds it in, but I guess just over time, you know, it just pops out. I don't know if this is a common thing. When I was looking up the actuator information on this, I did see someone say it could be unplugged, which I thought, well, that would be kind of crazy if it was just unplugged. So maybe that is a common issue, but yeah, so hopefully that helps you. Like I said, link in the description down below to the video I used, some, you know, of a guy pulling the door panel. And so you can watch that if you want more details on door panel removal. And then, like I said, if you need to get to the actuator, it's behind this panel. But in my case, this was the fix. So hopefully it's an easy fix for you. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.